Lucas. I'm a realtor here and I've helped tons of families relocate to Knoxville just like I did. There's a reason why so many people have been flooding this area, but due to that, competition, pricing, and quality of work have just not competed or caught up with the demand. Over the years, I've built great connections with trusted business partners that I would refer over and over again. Because when I refer these people out to my clients, they are a direct reflection of me and my business. The hardest challenge of them all, one in particular, is finding a really great contractor or set of contractors. One that's going to show up, work with my clients, walk them through the process just like I would, and take care of the home from top to bottom. I wish I knew this contractor years ago, but I'm so excited to introduce Matt from Espiritu Construction.
So I was relocating my family to the Knoxville area, including my business, and I was referred to Aimee Lee Lucas from a mutual real estate client in California. I knew Aimee and I would be a great fit due to the fact that I had seen her on Instagram, pushing a lot of social media in the Knoxville area. I'd also used social media in California to showcase our business, and I knew it'd be a great fit moving forward to reach out to her and establish a great relationship. So our first job was a simple phone call. She needed a general contractor to come in and take care of a red tape inspection that had failed. We took care of her, and it went from there. So after remediating the inspection report for Aimee's client, it ended up turning into a full cosmetic remodel, one of our first in the Knoxville area, to take care of one of Aimee's clients. We're actually sitting in this project right now. Let me tell you about some of my favorite features that we did on this project. One of my favorite features on this property was the Italian lime wash with the distressed look and the landscaping. The old landscaping didn't do the structure justice. Per the homeowner's request, we removed the old landscaping, we added black mulch, spruce shrubs, and that really tied everything together. Another custom feature we did was a stained altar door that we did in-house, as well as custom dug fir pillars. So another thing I'm really proud of is that we just didn't buy the custom stained door online. We did the stain in-house. We sanded it, we stained it. We also did the same thing with our exterior dug fir pillars. We sanded, stained, and sealed everything to our satisfaction and also our client's satisfaction. One of the more major things we did on this project were our bathroom remodels. We did a full master bathroom remodel, a full guest bathroom remodel. That means vanities, fixtures, toilets, shower fixtures, custom walk-in glass showers, tile flooring, etc. We're super proud of this project, and we want to bring this quality of work to more people in the Knoxville area. And believe it or not, we're actually booking up until 2026.
Hi, I'm Matt. I'm the homeowner. I just want to give you a few things that I enjoyed and appreciated from the work that was done by Matt. Yeah, so number one, I was able to trust Matt. I was gone a lot, so being able to know that he was going to take care of everything while I was gone was nice to know. Yeah, and number two, he was very good with communication, kept me updated constantly, which I appreciated, not being here, not always being around to see what was going on. So it was super nice to be communicated with properly. Yeah, and the quality of work was top-notch. Can't say enough about how the finished product turned out, and I look forward to using Matt again.
With that being said, Knoxville is constantly evolving, and you may not find your dream home right now, but don't let that stop you. Because with the right real estate team and maybe a little bit of remodeling, we can make your dream home come true. And I've worked for years to assemble the perfect team just for you. So if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest, relocate to Tennessee, make sure you call me, Aimee Lee.